Unveiling India's persistent challenge, the dilemma of poverty. India, a land of diverse cultures, rich heritage, and vibrant colors, also grapples with a stark reality: poverty. Despite significant economic growth and development strides in recent years, poverty remains a formidable challenge affecting millions of people across the country. Understanding the dimensions of poverty in India. First, income inequality. One of the primary facets of poverty in India is income inequality. The gap between the rich and poor continues to widen, with a significant portions of the population struggling to meet their basic needs. Second, rural-urban disparities. Poverty manifests differently in rural and urban areas. Rural poverty is often characterized by lack of access to basic needs such as clean water, sanitation, healthcare, and education. Urban poverty, on the other hand, is marked by skim dwellings, informal employment, and inadequate living conditions. Women, girls are disproportionately affected by poverty due to unequal access to resources, limited employment opportunities, and cultural novels that restrict their participation in economic. Poverty has a direct impact on health outcomes, with malnutrition, inadequate healthcare, and sanitation related diseases being prevalent among the poor. Lack of access to quality education perpetuates the cycle of poverty, as children from poor households often drop out of school or receive substandard education. Informal and precarious employment is common among the poor, leading to unstable incomes, limited social security, and vulnerability to exploitation. Poverty alleviation programs. The Indian government has implemented various poverty alleviation programs such as the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (NREGA) or the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) and National Food Security Act (NFSA) to provide employment, housing, and food security to vulnerable populations. Initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana aim to promote financial inclusion by providing banking services to the unbanked population, thereby improving access to credit and savings opportunities. While these initiatives have made significant strides in addressing poverty, several challenges persist. Administrative inefficiencies, corruption, inadequate implementation, and lack of targeted interventions for specific vulnerable groups hinder the effectiveness of poverty alleviation efforts. Looking ahead, a multidimensional approach encompassing economic, social, and political reforms is crucial to combating poverty effectively. Strengthening social safety nets, promoting inclusive growth, investing in human capital, and addressing structural inequalities are key areas that require sustained attention and concerted action. In conclusion, addressing poverty in India requires a comprehensive and holistic strategy that tackles its root causes while ensuring the inclusion and empowerment of marginalized communities. Only through collective efforts and innovative solutions can India aspire to build a more equitable and prosperous future for all its citizens.